tanong, saan, sino, bakit, sa paano, paraan. Minsan, ang swerte mo nasa paligid lang. Ang buhay ay ganyan, nasa
Batibag-ibag, nagkasi, lumalaban, di man lang. Matibag-ibag, matagapang at lumalaban, inalik-ilik, di ba sa mga pildi, kailikot, mahong kumanoon.
To learn from behind the video. And
This main matter once again.
Of extraction. We use some pretty cool techniques to do this. One of them is pattern recognition. So in a party like
listening. It's important for us to listen to the presenters, so we would be broad by knowledge, not like paminaw lang yun ka, dinisyo sa mga auto, but mo critically think kung mo sa inyo di sulti ka.
You can assess your learning. So, yeah, actually, a very, I want to emphasize this activity now because ganitong activity, this will serve as the overall evaluation group. Me too.
The last time we heard, who just broken the record as the youngest female figure skating champion. You would teach me your route to that. You decided to retire at the age of 16.
Yeah.
No, it's true.
Me too.
Hello everyone, hello to our fellow educators, and hello to our future and licensed soon our teacher, our teachers in English. And we are very thankful for this opportunity that we are chosen to be part of this session. So I would like to congratulate each and one of you kay grabe yung effort during the session, especially the session 1 up until now. Kay grabe ka, grabe ka masabog. And then I would like to commend everyone for participation, especially to my fellow DPED students, because without us, hindi ko pwede siya successful. And especially sa itong teachers, yun, grabe lang paningkamot for this session. So, please give them a round of applause, please.
Para na sa to.
And a friend to applaud their hard work, resilience, and their commitment to the service of education. Because we should remember, if there's no teacher, there's no profession. That's what we all think.
Ako lang ma-message. Ako lang ma-istorya sa, especially sa atong mga teacher sa kanila ma'am, na like very thankful tayo guys sila kami very masalamat lang po kay na parties na ako sa kanila na sa ilang session and also sa kanila thankful sa lahat mga knowledge na gihatag sa tuwa, especially sa katong as frequent student ka, kaninin mo katong mga knowledge na gihatag. Although, small lang siya nga parte sa ato field, but very important na siya kay, like for example, sa atong pagpaminaw, very important sa atong field, and also sa kanang command. And very, rating lang po sa ilaha, then very ano ka na, ano ito, ilahang ato pa ako ng treat sa ato kay dili lang yun nga student lang ta nila but ilatang ituan nga as ko at kuha na po sila ka na bitaw kurag dili tayo na estudyante rin tapat at mura tag-family din sa room. And that's all for me.
Thank you. My experience and siguro kung ano din ang ako experience and kabukod. So, first of all, no, nakita na ko ang kanang patience. Grabe yun dahil kay Saba, may kinastanan no niya. Grabe yun sila, pugong-pugong kara kay kasahupan sila sa tuwa. And second, the effort, no, nga mapastay ta diri agay sa kalangkon na kayo na pang ano na lang sa dahil kay para lang sa mga yes, but wala siya ka lang sa butobol, of course, parang kumakawa na. So the third one is, kanang eager dyan sila ganun ito maka-learn na. And also, ako na-learn dyan ang kanidyo, ang importance of listening, na-highlight siya sa mga
Yeah, I'm not really into this kind of sentimental thing, you know, but one thing I can say is that I'm very grateful in sa inyong pag-attend diri because without you, this would be somehow like empty. It's unsuccessful. So you are the major components of this session, and again, we are very grateful with from the limbic system in our brain. Again, thank you everyone.
Yeah!